morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Currently seeing some clear skies but hazy conditions across the region this morning. Seeing that smoke that has moved from the western United States across the continental United States to the eastern portion of the United States and giving us those hazy conditions this morning. We'll see a cold front move through for this evening, and that's going to give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, and should see this smoke move off the coast once we move into tomorrow with much more pleasant conditions across the region. It'll be hot today as well. Should see heat indices in the mid to upper 90s, not expecting it over 100 degrees today. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have a weak trough that's currently moving towards the region, a cold front as well over the Ohio Valley. That's going to be our forcing for our shower and thunderstorm chances this evening. Some of those storms could be strong to severe, especially across the central and northern Delmarva this evening, and even a chance of a strong storm here at Wallops this evening as well. We'll have high pressure of Canadian origin built in for tomorrow. That's going to give us much less humid air mass in place for tomorrow and a much more comfortable weather pattern for our Thursday and Friday. So taking a look at our current observation, we have clear skies, 5-mile statute visibility with haze. Winds out of the southwest to west-southwest at 5 knots, temperature 78 degrees, relative humidity at 85%. And taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have a little bit of cloud cover around 11,000 feet off to our north and west, but currently seeing that milky look to the satellite imagery, and that is from that smoke in the mid and upper levels in general. Here's our camera shot this morning. You can really see that haze across the region this morning and reducing our visibility. Taking a look at the HRRR model for today, this is at 8 a.m. our current time frame, and move through our next several hours here. Here is 4 o'clock this afternoon, or 1600 local. You see some showers and thunderstorms starting to pop north and west of our region, and they'll start to move towards the region by this evening, with the best chance between about 6 and 10 o'clock this evening, seeing those showers and thunderstorms move through the region and continuing to move off the coast overnight. Taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high today of 90 degrees. Should see those heat indices in the mid to upper 90s. Did not highlight the heat index here, as the dew point should fall back into the mid to upper 60s this afternoon. So that should keep our heat indices below 100 degrees. It will be hot, however, and with those hot conditions, it's going to fuel the instability for the thunderstorms moving in the region for this evening. Looking at about a 30% chance of those showers and thunderstorms this evening. We'll see a cooler overnight low of 68 degrees. Tonight, we'll see winds out of the west this afternoon becoming more southwesterly and slightly gusty, anywhere from about 17 to 18 knots with our gusts this afternoon into the early evening hours. And then overnight, we'll see winds north and fairly light at 6 to 11 knots. Our next 24 hours should see VFR conditions in the next 24 hours, unless we do have a thunderstorm overhead. And looking at that 20% chance from 16 to 1800 local, and then a 30% chance after 1800 local until just before midnight. And then overnight, we should see skies clear out before we see some cirrus clouds increase over the region by tomorrow morning. As I mentioned, could see a stronger thunderstorm with the cold front moving through this evening. We do have some shear in the atmosphere, as well as some moderate instability for this afternoon, so can't rule out a stronger thunderstorm. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Thursday through Friday, green charts across the board. Thursday, partly cloudy, less humid and pleasant, high of 84 degrees. Thursday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy and comfortable, a low of 64. And for Friday, partly to mostly cloudy, a high of 83 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.